A happy new year 2026 to you, your family, your friends, everybody. Last day of 2025. We're headed to a new year full of energy, full of new ambitions, new things, new changes in life. Hopefully good for everybody. So something was cooking in my mind from a long time, and I really wanted to share it with everybody. So I thought that let's take this opportunity because today is the last day of the year, and let me share this with everybody as a good message. Maybe it could really help you out in finding a new version of yourself in the year 2026. Okay, and I personally really believe in it. I have my faith into it, so I'm sure what I believe is good for myself. I'll share it with everybody else because sharing is always good. Guys, I'm a motorcycle guy, right? So I'm going to talk about motorcycles. And trust me, before you skip this video, just hold on to it for a few minutes and listen to what I'm trying to explain. It's irrelevant of your age, your color, your nationality, your status, your ethnic background, you're a male or female. It doesn't matter. Okay? What matters if as far as you're a human being, this video can be of great help to you. It can really change your life. You might find a new version of yourself which you always wanted to be, but you could not be that. And a lot of people today, what I believe, are operating on that frequency that they are not even doing 5% of what they're capable of. Okay? That's the way we're designed. That's the way human beings are designed. A motorcycle, how does it work? I'm not talking about what's the connection between a motorcycle and a human being, right? It's two wheels and a machine can change so much of a person. Can it really do it? Yes, it can, bro. It really can. Ask me why. I'll explain it to you. You have a motorcycle. Motorcycle, first of all, you are on two wheels. You're not on four wheels. So you need to focus on the motorcycle and you will be balancing it. Okay, there are pros and cons to it. Once you balance, yes, you need more focus. And secondly, when you balance, because you're focusing, so you will have to be away from the distractions which you have in your normal day-to-day ride or life or whatever. Okay, being on a motorcycle, you will be developing focus and you will be away from distractions, and you will get some time which is with you yourself, which a lot of us, we don't have it in today's time and age of being such busy, such a fast moving life and everything. We finish one thing and the other one is lined up. We pay a bill and the other one is lined up. We finish up the finances and something else is lined up, and our mind is continuously busy doing things back to back. So we need some time for ourselves, and motorcycle for me is something which is like a therapy which everybody needs. So it will give you focus. It will give you the sense of freedom and power because it's designed like that and it moves like that, right? Imagine you're going on a motorcycle on a speed of high speed, fast speed, and you're feeling the wind on your face and your body, and you're close to nature. It is going to give you a feeling of as if you're flying, like you're a bird. Maybe I would say like motorcycle is like your wings. Okay, so or horse riders who've been doing horse riding, it gives you that sense of you and the motorcycle is connected with each other in such a way that you will take in some energy from it. Like for example, the people who can relate to it as horse riders can relate to it very closely. Why? I'll tell you. In today's time and age, it's such a fast moving life, and keeping a horse could be a little difficult. It's a lot of work because we live in a different kind of environment now. It's not like what it used to be earlier. But when you ride a horse, after you ride a horse, for example, for some time, let's say like 15, 20, 30 minutes, and you stop, you feel the frequency or the power of the energy of the horse in you. You feel that confidence in you. Horse takes away all the stress away from you, and trust me, a motorcycle is so much close to it, and motorcycle does the same. Okay, when you ride a motorcycle, when you're feeling down, when you're feeling low, when you're feeling lost in your life, bro, when you ride a motorcycle, it's going to change you. I have personally come across, because I'm into this business, I'll tell you a story of a friend of mine, a very old, he's not in Dubai anymore, he's going to the UK. He was going through a tough time, he broke up, and he came to me and he was like, bro, this is blah blah blah, I have this issue. I said, man, listen, can you afford a motorcycle? He said, yes, I can. I said, bro, get one. He got a motorcycle. It was a BMW XR. I don't know, he might be listening to this as well. He started riding on the track, he started riding with the groups, and he used to thank me every time I used to speak to him. Every time, till date, whenever we talk in excellent, like we have a very good conversation. Sometimes it goes on for minutes, okay? So why? Because we came up to a solution, we came up to something nice, right? So you always like to talk to people like when you have these kind of things. Anyways, so what I'm saying is, new year, this could be your resolution. Maybe 95% of the bikers, the people who have ever wished to buy or own a motorcycle, they don't go for it. 5% or 10% maximum, let's say 90%, 10% or 5% go for it. So rest 90% they don't. They are just like, no, it's dangerous, it's this, it's that, it's expensive, and they don't go for it. Bro, trust me, it's not dangerous. If you follow the safety rules, it's not dangerous. If something is supposed to happen to you, when you're walking on the road, a car can come and hit you. So this dangerous crap, I don't believe in it. Trust me. Okay? Number one. Number two, you say that you don't have money. No worries. You can rent it out. Okay? Go, rent a bike, ride a bike, and you would know what it is. Right? People invest in houses, people invest in cars, but motorcycles are dangerous. It's nothing as such, bro. Trust me. Motorcycle is something you need for yourself, for your soul. It's it's more important maybe than a house as well, if you ask me. Okay? So, you cannot afford a motorcycle, rent it out. You cannot rent it out, you don't have a license. Go with a group of motorcycles, approach them, the communities are there. Talk to me, I will tag you along with somebody else. You can go for a ride with the motorcycle groups for you to actually feel and understand what I'm trying to explain to you, that how important this can be for you and how can it really change your life. Maybe you can find the newer version of yourself which you always wanted to, but you could not because of whatever reason. And because you started riding the motorcycles, you felt that energy, you felt the sense of freedom, you felt the confidence in yourself, and now you are able to do what you always wanted to, but you could not do it before. You know, that's the way human brain works. So, guys, new year, new resolution. Trust me, give it a thought. Okay? Don't do anything. Let's talk. Okay? Give me a call, bro. Let's talk. Any problem could be sorted out. You know what I believe? Any problem, before it comes, the solution is already there. Then only the problem comes. Okay? So every problem has a solution. And I personally feel that we can solve a lot of problems with changing our mindset, taking a step forward, doing the things which take the fear out of us, and just chasing our dreams, bro. Life is too short. Trust me, it's too short. So don't wait for another year, man. Come on. Be the best version of yourself. Come on, man. You can. Bro, you can. It's everybody you can. Doesn't matter. As I told you, age doesn't matter. Nationality doesn't matter. Gender doesn't matter. Okay? You should have the will, and you should believe in yourself, and you should have the faith that you can do it. And trust me, once you have this, whatever you want to do in life is consider it done. Okay? Wish you all the best. A very, very, very happy new year. Let's meet up soon. Give me a call. I'm looking forward to you. All right? Thank you. Take care.